Hi, thanks for dropping in. In this video, we're going to look at download Python. We're then going to look at the Python IDE, which is the integrated development environment. That's where we write our scripts or a bit of code in Python before we go developing full-fledged programs. So let's get to it.
I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to go to python.org. Now I'm going to download Python for Windows. But if you've got Linux or Mac or any other OS, then click that option. So click on the download. Alternatively, go to your downloads folder and double click on Python. I'm going to click install now, but before I do, I'm going to click add python.exe to path. Click on close. Go down to the search bar and type Python. You now see the latest version of Python in your start menu. Select it. This opens a Python shell. So we can start by printing a hello world. And here's an example of saving a string to a variable and then printing that variable. We can also do simple math. And Boolean true and false statements. So now we're going to close out of our shell. We're going to go down to our search bar. So we're going to type idle, which is the integrated development environment. That'll open up a new window. Idle is like the shell, although it provides a more complete development experience. It's more suitable for complex projects. It includes features like syntax highlighting, code completion and debugging.
If we're serious about writing Python programs, then the inbuilt editor will only get us so far. Luckily for us, there's lots of other editors to choose from. In my next video, I'm going to look at downloading and installing the Mu Python editor.